Hi guys, Lucky Games there. Have a quick look up this square now. Obviously no work gone on yet. I don't know whether that's scheduled for now. It's supposed to be doing all the flooring, the seating areas, retiling it all, and making it look nice. I think they're extending the area as well. So we'll have to wait and see when that happens. There's the beachcomber. Obviously not open at the moment because of the 6 o'clock restrictions. Hopefully it won't be too long though before that's lifted and we'll get back to some kind of normality. We're going in the right direction anyway. Next bar is the Bahamas. Sad to see them so empty and lifeless. Of course, now we're coming up to Cafe Benidorm, just up on the end there. The first time we came over to Benidorm, did end up falling asleep in there. It was 4 o'clock in the morning, but they didn't seem to mind. I'd had a few beers. There's Cafe Benidorm. It's great to see them all back open. I don't think it's going to be that long, boys. So, let's wait and see. You see in the distance there, Sinatra's. I think I'll be one of the first ones back open again. Seem to be keen now to get back open. Get some acts on, get some money in. Swinging around now, Champions Sports Bar. There we go. They did try and reopen. They were open for a few weeks. I think it was just doing drinks and stuff. They decided it wasn't worthwhile in the end. They closed up again. So I think they're waiting for everybody to come back now. As you can see now, just coming up to the Hippodrome. Nice to see them back open again. As with all the bars. I'll just show you something down the bottom which I didn't realise was there. Just walk down a bit. This is sort of a derelict area here. I'll have a look in a minute. Oh, there's a Square Dance nightclub. Nearly missed that one. Take it that's underneath the Hippodrome. So we're heading on down a bit now. Lovely day in Benidorm, of course. Most days are. I'm really surprised I haven't done anything with this area. Another club on there, or club bars. So we're peeking over now to have a look what was over there. As you can see, there was a mini golf course over there. Need a bit of weeding and stuff. Well, I'm surprised that was over there, to be honest. I've never seen it open that I can remember. There's quite a big area there. I think you get a couple of bars on there maybe. Must be some reason they haven't rebuilt on there. I know all the homeless were in there last year. I think they were all cleaned out though. Okay guys, so we're going to leave the video there. Like and subscribe as normal. If you want to see more from Benidorm, watch the video coming up next.